If you want to learn video editing using only your mobile phone, and you have zero experience, this video is for you. You don't need a computer, you don't need professional skills, and you don't need any previous editing knowledge. In this video, I will explain CapCut Mobile from the very beginning, step by step, in the simplest way possible. By the end of this video, you will understand what CapCut is, how it works, and how you can start editing confidently. Welcome to NextCut. Let's begin. CapCut is a free video editing app that works on mobile phones. You can use CapCut to create videos for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok, and many other social platforms. What makes CapCut special is that it is both beginner-friendly and powerful. Many professional creators also use CapCut, but it is simple enough for someone who is just starting. If you can use a smartphone, you can learn CapCut. And that is what we will do in this series. Learn from zero. Now let's see how to install CapCut. If you are using an Android phone, open the Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store. Search for CapCut. Install the app. Once installed, open it. You may see a login option, but don't worry. You can start editing even without signing in. For now, we will focus only on learning. When you open CapCut, you will see the home screen. Let me explain each part in a simple way. First, you will see New Project. This is the most important button. This is where real editing happens. Next, you will see Templates. Templates are ready-made videos. You just add your photos or clips, and the video is created automatically. Templates are useful, but they do not teach you real editing skills. If your goal is to truly learn video editing, you should use New Project. Below that, you may see Drafts. Drafts are your unfinished projects. If you stop editing and come back later, your project will be saved here. There is also a settings section where you can adjust things like quality and storage. But for now, don't worry about settings. Your main focus should be learning how to use the timeline and tools. Many beginners ask this question. Should I use templates or manual editing? Templates are fast and easy, but manual editing gives you full control. When you edit manually, you learn how to cut videos, how to trim clips, how to add text, how to add music, how to control timing, how to add effects. Templates make videos quickly. Manual editing makes you a real editor. In this beginner series, we will focus on manual editing, step by step. No rush. This is only the beginning. If you want to master CapCut from zero, make sure to subscribe to our channel NextCut.